Hey guys, today I'm bringing you guys this holiday glam look, and I'm also going to be showing you guys some products that I've been obsessed with and a little sneak peek on m.a.c holiday collection. I am starting out with my Tata Harper Resurfacing Serum to moisturize and provide a glow, which I have also the Diamond does, and I talk about this product more on my Instagram, so go check it out. Then I use the Cover FX Fix Blurring Primer to blur my pores, which it actually works, girl. And then I freaking discovered a mancha. Now I gotta take care of that because I thought it was a mole, and it's not. So for foundation, I'm using the Glow Time BB Cream and BB7, which you guys know that I'm obsessed. It has skincare ingredients, and you guys need it in your life. Now to cover my dark circles, I am using the Mehron Corrected palette, and I just pat it under my eyes, and it works amazing. Then I'm using the Clove and Hallow concealer in medium. It's clean and it's vegan, and it actually really works because it's organic. So I also applied it on my lids. Then to bring back to my face, I am contouring with the Mehron Conceal palette. And I always go in with my brush to blend more and to make my face look even more natural looking, as you guys are seeing right now. Now, moving on to my brows, I am going to set them in place with the Browvo, I think, conditioning primer. And then I'm going to draw them out with my favorite Precisely by Brow pencil in 4.5. And then I go, then I add the Gimme brow in 5 to finish them off and make them look as natural as possible. And I always use the spoolie girl to just make them look as natural as possible. I'm going to be using the Brush Crush by Real Techniques, which is a kabuki brush. It's so freaking pretty. It reminds me of a disco ball, and it's so soft, you guys. And this helps me to set my face even more because it's so big. And then I'm using the Clove and Hallow Mineral Foundation in number 4, which leaves my skin looking like skin, not cakey. I mean, sometimes I like cakey, but not most of the time. Onto the eyes, I'm using the Real Techniques eye shadow and blending brush, which are really soft. And then I'm using the m.a.c collection holiday collection palette. Isn't this so pretty? It looks like a present. Now this one is called the m.a.c Shiny Pretty Things Eye Party in Rose, because I believe there's 2 other palettes or one more, but I'm using a transition shade. And then I am going to go in with the darker shade to contour the eye, which is like kind of like a maroon color, but this palette is really pigmented and it's super pretty, perfect for the holidays, you guys. Now I'm using the second shade, which is like a champagne color, just to bring some color into my eyes. And then I'm going in again with that brush, and I'm applying the darkest shade again under my lash line to just smoke out this look. I'm using that lighter shade as my brow bone and my inner tear dot highlight. So now I'm going to go in with this m.a.c, and I think this one is the P for Pink. It's a shiny pretty shadow. It is like kind of glittery, but I don't know, like it's glittery and then it's like in shadow, which is really good because it does stay on your lids, girls. It does stay. I don't even think you need, like, you know, glue or anything because it's a shadow, but it's like creamy at the same time. It's so freaking beautiful, you guys. I can't wait to use it again. I love this. Then I'm just going in again on my crease to contour it. So for highlight, I'm using the Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighter. This thing, it's so pigmented, you guys, and it's so beautiful. I didn't want to use this. You guys see, it looks so gorgeous, but I'm using a tiny bit because it's actually super powerful, but a tiny bit goes a long way. For my lips, you guys, I'm using this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Anywhere Caffeine. I've been obsessed with this. And then for my lipstick, I'm using the Buxom Nude Exposure, which is a little bit more nude for me, but of course I added more lip liner. And then I'm topping it off with the e.l.f. Modern Metals lip gloss. It's so beautiful, you guys. And then to finish off everything, I'm using my Sprayed by Iredale, which I will link you guys below. And there you guys have it, my holiday glowy here I am girl look. I love it. It's so beautiful, you guys. Please leave me your comments down below what else you guys want to see, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share the love with your family and friends. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.